back on the tutorials. Today let us learn subject verb agreement from English language. How do we get perfection in subject verb agreement? How do we choose the verb which agrees with the subject? First of all, see the first rule: the real subject of this verb are not plural nouns immediately before them, but the singular nouns at the beginning of each sentence. So the verb agree in number, person with its real subject. Examples: one of my friends has oh my god, gone to Zambia. Each of the boys was given a fountain pen. Every one of the clerks has applied for casual leave today. Nature of the competence was able to win a decisive victory. Here we can see one, each, every, and nature. All these represents a singular subject. So we need to take singular verb like has, was. Okay? Okay, friends. Second one, two or more singular nouns connected by and are normally followed by a plural verb. So tobacco and alcohol are two singular nouns connected by and. That's why we have to take are, injuries to health. Oil and water, two different things connected by and. So plural verb do not mix. He and I were at Oxford together. So he and I are different pronouns connected by and. So we have taken verb. Sumati, Sumitra, and Shushila are great friends. So all these three nouns are connected with comma and, so taken as a plural verb. Now coming to third rule, friends. When two singular nouns connected by and together express one idea, they are followed by a singular verb. People will do mistakes in this type of rule. Age and experience brings wisdom to man. They together gives one idea. We can't separate it and speak. Slow and steady wins the race. Bread and butter is what they want. The long and the short of the matter is that the world department is corrupt. When two nouns connected by and refer to the same person, the singular verb is used. So, my uncle and guardian wants to me to study medicine. Here, one thing you have to observe, friends. My is the possessive pronoun. Even when you get the or possessive pronouns or articles repeated in before the first noun and the second noun also, then they are considered as plural subjects and plural verb you have to take. Now in this rule, a notable patriot and revolutionary was lost to India in death of Subhash Chandra Bose. In these two sentences, we have found only my one time, a one time. See the third example, my friend and colleague. So my only one time is used. So like that in any sentence, if possessive pronouns or articles are used once in a sentence with different nouns, it should be considered as singular subject and taken as a singular verb. My friend and colleague and Anil Mukherjee has gone abroad. That means whoever is my friend is also a friend to me, and he is also colleague to me, and he is also Anil Mukherjee. All these three belongs to one person only. So the orator and statements is no more. In this sentence you can see article is used once. So consider as a singular subject. If the two nouns refer to two different persons, the articles and possessive pronouns should be repeated and the verb should be used in the plural. So, my uncle and my guardian want, not wants, me to study medicine. The favorite and the statesman are no more. So, fifth rule, when singular nouns are connected by and are preceded by each or every, they are followed by singular verb. They are followed by the singular verb. Example, each man and each woman has a vote. Every officer and every soldier has to be ready to sacrifice his life for the country. Next, this ship was wrecked and every man, woman and child was drowned. So because of the every used in before the nouns, multiple nouns, though they are considered to singular subject and use singular verb. So thank you children. In the part 2 video we will discuss some other rules regarding this subject and verb agreement. So see until then, see you, bye bye.